Morning, guys. Hey, I got short at 12:37.3. Looking for a small rotation down. It's been pretty much straight up all night, all morning so far. So looking for a little bit of a retracement back. Got a 2-point stop. So just looking from here for a little bit of retracement to come down into the 50%, and then we can figure out what they want to do here. It is strong, and we might get stopped out here. If we get stopped here, it's going to 40.3, so I'll be ready to reshort in that area. But a little back test here. Should have been 76, somewhere around there. Yep. Back at the 76, so we should get a rotation down here. We need to break these lows. It's been holding up fairly well this morning, that's for sure. Hope everybody had a great evening. Let's see, they might take it. It's 8:46. You know, they might make one more shot. Like I said, the 40.3 would be my next area of interest. Looks like they're gonna go for it. Not yet. Still waiting. Alright, I'll pause it. You know, they keep coming up to the high and getting rejected a little bit, so. But I really, I could move this up above 40.3 and just add, but, I don't want to. The stop gets hit, then I'll go ahead and try to reshort at 40.3. Because they're coming after it, looks like. The sizes are starting to get smaller. So each time they make that run back up, they're chewing through them. It hit 39.8. Alright, I'm going to take this short. This is what I've been looking for. I really didn't think they were going to make it this high this morning without making, a deeper retracement than this. That's for sure. So I will see if I can get the price that I was looking for later move this morning, but they want to go ahead and take it up there now, they can take it up there. I'll pause it and come back. Okay, making it run. Highs, there we go, 40.3. Need 41.6, 2-point stop. All right, moment of truth right here. Let's see if they're gonna, just run this thing up all day, or they're pressuring the shorts. There's no doubt about it. 40.4. If I get stopped out on this one, I'm probably gonna have to be working all day today. So I'm already down a good chunk. So we do need a 50% retracement here. If we get it down here, I'll call it the day. So I'll pause it. Come back to you when we start getting closer to some the stops or targets. Okay, guys, we are getting that part of that rotation down I was looking for. Alright, I'll pause it and come back. Alright, got 10 taken off there. Okay. I'm gonna take 10 more there, at least 40. Come on now. We're starting to see a push down on 987. 1597 is just now starting, so we've got a while on that one. 6110 starting to push down. 377 is pushing down. 233 is pushing down. 144 is hugging the rail, pushing down. But this is an important area. Okay, good. I would think that we would come down into the 50. Actually, I'll take a 30 off in that range. Well, we do have to break this area first and get down below this bottom here. The 44 starting to turn just a little bit. The 610's really pushing, so I should pull this down. But this could come underneath and hook right back up since these bands getting close. Need to break this bottom here. Price is slowing down, which is concerning. So I'm going to go ahead and take a little bit. They took me pretty quick though. Got a bidder at 37.4. Okay, they just blew through him. That was pretty good size too. But it's holding up here. You can see that. Don't want it to run away from me, that's for sure. After taking that 2-point stop on 50 contracts. Man, they're just not pulling it back very far. It is 9 o'clock. So Alright, I'll pause it and come back. Okay, guys. Price has moved back up. Really need this to drop out of the bottom here. Well, I'll have to start covering some of this. Alright, I'll pause it. Down $710 now. So let's see if we don't break the high. Maybe we'll get a rotation. This thing's just been a beast. They caught everybody short with the numbers this morning, I guess, and now they're not going to raise interest rates. I mean, they weren't going to do that to begin with. So I will pause it and come back as soon as we start getting some more movement. Okay, guys, I'm going to go ahead and add back to some of these shorts. Of course, didn't get the last one filled. See if it comes back up there and gets me. Oh, come on, fill the 39.8. It has been strong all morning. It really has, but now that we can get the rotation down, I can get out of this thing and make my morning and be done. Come on, give me a deeper retracement here. I'll delete this. Let's see what this is going to be a longer video, that's for sure. Sorry, guys. It's what it takes. You get your ass handed to you right off the bat. You gotta. It's a battle. It's a fight. Who's gonna win? That's the key. Is you always have to make sure that. You're ready for the fight. You're not going to lose no matter what. Because they're thinking the same thing. Still 30 left. Let's see if we can get this Sure don't want it to go back up on me now, that's for sure. I'm out of the red. I don't want to, you know, I still say it comes down there. Let's see what else is going on here. Check the fibs from the bottom. It hit the 61.8. Let's see if it comes back. Like I said, I just don't want to give anything back. I want to try to get this stuff out of here. I've had a very rough morning. That's what I could do. Go ahead and peace out. Just leave 5 on the table. All right. Whew. What a morning, guys. What a morning. All right. Was down a significant amount of money this morning. Fought back. Now I'm 4,100 ahead. I'm going to risk, $550 plus commissions here. So I'll still have, $3,000 for this morning. We'll see what kind of rotation we get. The market's just been ridiculously strong. So should have played it from the long side instead of sitting here waiting for the short. Live and learn. But this is a good example of you're getting your ass handed to you, but you can't give up. You gotta keep going. You can't just walk away. I mean, I stepped up, walked away from the desk for a minute, but you can't just give up and walk away. It just doesn't work like that. So I'll pause it and come back. Okay, guys, looks like they're getting close to the stop up there. Tried it a couple times. I would imagine they get it here. If not, that'd be interesting. Because I always wanted to make a few ticks over the previous high. Get all those buy stops that they know they're sitting there. Alright, guys, finally got stopped out. Of course, like I said, to the tick. Now they'll probably bring it down now. But anyway, been a long morning. Did not play today well at all, so I'll have to sit down and do some reviews and see what I could have done differently. Really did not see. I mean, the 1240.3, I did have marked. I just didn't. I really thought off the the open that this. I mean, I knew this pullback was coming, but I really thought that either way you want to look at it, would have been deeper, at least to the 38.2. Usually, off the open, the deeper the pullback. Especially, I knew it was going to be bullish to a point, but the deeper the pullback, the farther the run. This was a pretty short pullback that I expected to be a lot deeper. So that's what I guess got me. But I'll go through it. Everybody have a great day, and I hope to see you tomorrow.